back to another video. So today I'm really excited because it's my birthday month and a subscriber bought me a birthday gift. Yes, I'm speechless. So I'm doing an unboxing video today and I just want to give a big shout out to Clever Technologies for being such an amazing person, because like nobody know me personally really on here, and he didn't have to, the company didn't have to, and they did. So I really appreciate it. So today we're going to be unboxing a tripod. Yes, I have a tripod to do my videos now. Okay, so let's see what it has inside the box. So this is inside the box. Right, so inside the box we get a ring light. Right, this is the ring light. We have, what you call this? We have, okay, so let's start opening this stuff. Okay, I just might build it one time. I don't know. I have a handyman beside him, so he might build it for me one time. So y'all can see like what it looks like after. Or I'll probably just insert like a clip of what it looks like after. Right? Yeah. So this is the ring light. This is the ring light. Right? The rest is inside. This is tripod stand. Ooh. I'm so happy. Y'all know that, huh? Y'all can see that, huh? I don't know what good over this dog. Like, I find like every time I look to do a video, every time I'm about to do a video, he just gets excited and just want to give me competition. So this is it here. Is the okay, so it's the tripod head. Yeah. Tripod head. The clip, the phone, yeah, the phone clip thing, right? I didn't tell you that, eh? Alright, so it have all these little. Ooh, and this one is the Bluetooth. So now I could go and take my little Instagram pic and be like, this part here, I know this is the part where you rest your phone. Right, and of course I guess it would be flexible so you can, you know, move it about however. So if you want your phone to be facing upright, you put it this way. If you want it sideways for like video sake, you put it this way. So you just move it to suit. And you know, I'm not any pro, I'm just doing an unboxing because I mean, big up to Clever Technologies, because, and this would be the table stand, so like I'm guessing this would be for like the table. So maybe you could rest it higher up. What is this one? I feel this. Ah, boom. Boom. Right? So I'm going to read the instructions and then I'll come back on to show you all what it looks like. You see, so this is basically one of the the lightings. You have the choice of adjusting here. You move it off of the light, adjusting right here. You can take down the light if you want to, just a little bit. Raise up. This part here, as I was saying before, you could turn it. No, but let me take down the light. Take it off so y'all will see. Right, so here you could turn according to what you want to do. If you want to do like a portrait or, you know, a landscape or a portrait. I believe that's what it is. So yeah, okay guys, so this one here is a hand tripod. So you also it's just like the regular light tripod, but you could either put the attach this part, just screen right here. All right guys, so right now I'm talking to you from the ring light because you all would have already seen the footage of the ring light. I will be linking his information in the description box, which will be down below. So make sure you go follow him on Instagram. Yeah, make sure you follow him on Instagram and let him know that Kezzy sent you. Caribbean Kezzy sent you. I'm just happy, thanking God for another year, and I'm blessed. Thank you all for watching this video. I appreciate you all. I love you.